Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Catalina and I'm the person behind by Katarina Designs, and today I have a short tutorial for you. Last year I made this granny square top for my daughter. She was asking for it. Unfortunately, I didn't have time to make a tutorial for it, but today I want to share how you can make the straps, because we are in the summer season already, and I know that you'll have so many projects with straps. I think this is the right word, and maybe you'll find this way of doing them really interesting. So I hope you enjoyed the short video. Let me know if you will use it in your next tank top project or something like that. And yeah, I hope you like it. So let's get started. Okay, so first you need to mark where do you want to place your straps. Because I have a button band, I will use this as a reference, and I put the crochet hook into the first stitch where I want my straps to start, and then I will reconnect the yarn. This technique is actually a Tunisian crochet or Tunisian knit stitch. So all you have to do is to insert the hook and pull out a loop and keep all the loops on the hook. Now after you finish and have the desired width, you need to yarn over and pull through the first stitch, and then yarn over and pull through 2 until you finish all the stitches. Now after you came at the end of the row, you need to insert the hook from so not under the stitch but from front through the back. This is how you're making the Tunisian knit stitch, and pull out the loop. Don't forget the last stitch over here, and like this, and then yarn over, pull through the first loop, and then yarn over and pull through 2, and repeat until you have only one loop on your hook. And now let's repeat this process. So you can see here the little V, and you have to insert the hook into the middle of that V through the back, so from front through the back, and pull out a loop. And then again, this was the forward row. This is how it's called in Tunisian crochet. And then yarn over, pull through the first loop, and then yarn over and pull through 2 until you have one loop left. And now we will repeat the same process until we will reach the desired length of the strap. After you reach the desired length, this is how you finish off the strap. So we will insert the hook as usual through the first stitch, but then yarn over and pull through all 2 loops of from the hook. This is actually a kind of Tunisian crochet binding off. and then we can make a chain and let a long tail, because we will use this to sew the strap on the back of the top tank. So I think they're really cute. This, using Tunisian crochet for the stripes, I think it's perfect. If you don't like the chains or some or simple stitches, simple crochet stitches, and I do believe that this Tunisian knit stitch makes them thicker than with regular stitches, and yeah, I really like them. So I hope you like them too. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.